Lopez, Ma'am. Our beloved school head, Ma'am Marites Abad, Ma'am. Supportive Barangay Chairman, Fred C. Calves of Nagibuyuban, Sir. And Honorable Wilfred Carlos B. Galleso of Balbalosa, Sir. It is with a great pleasure to welcome you all in this momentous event. I am Maria Isabel Catbagan Noveno, a 12-year-old graduating student who had given one of the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to deliver the word of gratitude. First, allow me to share the roller coaster journey of mine behind this achievement. Way back when I was 5 years old, I lived and studied in Manila with my mama and my lola. Yung mama ko nagtatrabaho at si lola ko ang nag-aalaga sa akin. But sadly, my nanay Elsie passed away last year and did not able to witness this special day of mine. Life is full of surprises. After my grade 1 in Manila, and due to life changes occurred, my mama decided back to La Union and continued my studies here. Before that, I also lived in Santol, La Union with my auntie and Nanay Elsie. Life there was a bit hard because Nanay Elsie and I had to walk very far to get to school. I was grade 2 when I studied there. Sometimes, Mama Wing and my Papa Noli would visit. Kahit na malayo, he always hired a motorcycle para lang makita ako and buy me groceries. He also surprised me every time it's my birthday. Pa, I love you so much. I didn't get any honors back then. Maybe because I was still having a hard time getting used to move from one place to another. Until such time, my mama finally agreed and decided that I would live and study here in Barbalosa. And that was the day that truly changed the story of my life. I enrolled here in Barbalosa Elementary School since grade 3. And at first, it's really hard to adjust myself. I struggled communicating with the people around me because I really don't know how to speak in Ilocano. But this is where the moment my family here in Barbalosa guided and tried their best to help me adjust myself to this new environment. Moving forward to my 4th and 5th grade, I was an honor student. At ngayon, na-achieve ko na yung dream and promise ko kay Papa at sa pamilya ko na pagbubutihin ko palalo para magaya ko si Ate Pauline, who had also delivered her valedictory address before here in Barbalosa Elementary School. She is one of my ate who always motivates me to study harder. But most especially, I would like to acknowledge my Mama Weng for all the sacrifices and unending love. She and Papa Randy became my second parent. I wouldn't be here, standing in front of you today, without their guidance. My Mama Weng na palaging piniprepare ang susukain ko sa umaga. My Papa Randy na nagbibigay ng baon ko. I can say that their support and presence made this achievement possible. As it is an honor to be in the presence of so many talented and accomplished individuals. As we embark on this journey together, let us remember the importance of collaboration and mutual respect. We can achieve great things and make a positive impact on the world around us. I like to share my message for tips to achieve your dream easier and can sharpen your mind. Always be ready to survive alone. People suddenly change today. You are important to them. Tomorrow, you're nothing to them. And that's real life. Life doesn't get easy. You get stronger. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can change the world. I wish you're gonna use that to enhance your mind, increase hope to get more confident, make your dream easier to achieve, and to believe on yourself. Thank you for listening, and I welcome you all and look forward to a productive and fulfilling day. Once again, good morning.